Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to cancel a domain transfer in Hostinger. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to domains. And as you see, yesterday I was trying to move this domain called bentutorial.com from a different Hostinger account to this Hostinger account. As you see, to transfer your domain to another account, they will send confirmation emails to both original and new account emails. This means that they will send a confirmation email to the original Hostinger account email and also this new Hostinger account email address. Simply click the confirmation link in each email to complete the domain move. Yesterday, I've received the confirmation email on this new account email address. Unfortunately, I had difficulties with my old Hostinger account email inbox, and I didn't receive this confirmation email. So because of this, I didn't accept this move. So my domain name was not transferred, and I've repeated the same process with this domain called rax.shopping. And when I've confirmed both emails, the original and the new account emails, the domain transfer was completely transferred. Now let's to show you this, or to give you proof of this. This is the email I've received on the new account. And before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, just join dotcom Builders Academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. And as you see here, if the email address is updated, we'll send confirmation emails to both the new and the old addresses. You must accept this change via both emails to proceed. If either is rejected by clicking on this reject button, or not clicking any or not accepting, the update will be cancelled, which means the domain transfer will not be completed or will be cancelled. So to sum it up, how to cancel a domain transfer on Hostinger: simply avoid accepting both confirmation emails, or at least one of them. And before ending this video, let me show you the message that you will receive when your domain is moved. This is the message that you will receive: domain move completed for your domain name. Domain move has been completed and will appear on your list in a couple of minutes. That was the case of this successful domain move, and this is the message that you will see when your domain transfer is cancelled. And this is how to cancel your domain transfer on Hostinger. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.